Hello guys, welcome to another video. In today's video we had this 1 by 32 scale model of Aston Martin Vantage. The color of this model is really awesome and the details are also very good. I'll provide the buying link for it in the description, you can check it out. In today's video we also have this 1 by 32 scale model of Lamborghini Gallardo with us. You can tap on the banner on the right hand corner of the screen to watch our full video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. You can follow us on Instagram at Diecastautomobiles. So without wasting any time, let's start the video.